The fastest thing in the universe is still too slow. Scientists just confirmed something terrifying. Our galaxy is 100,000 light years across, and light, the fastest thing that has ever existed, needs 100,000 years just to cross it. Not explore it, not send a message, just cross. This should be enough. It isn't, and what we just discovered changes everything. Why haven't aliens reached us? What breaks up 100,000 light years? What is the universe actually hiding? Those questions are now open. They were not closed easily. Look up on a clear night. Every photon entering your eye has been traveling for years to reach you. Sometimes tons of years. The star you see is not the star as it exists now. You are seeing a ghost, light from a source that may already be dead. Light moves at 300,000 kilometers per second. It wraps the entire Earth 7 times in 1 second. Your brain says fast, but here's the problem. Fast is not the same as enough. We confirmed centuries ago that light is not infinite. That discovery cracked open the most disturbing truth in all of science, and we were not ready to face what it actually meant. The moon, 384,000 kilometers away. Light crosses it in just over 1 second. Still feels manageable, doesn't it? The sun, 150 million kilometers away. Light crosses it in 8 minutes. The warmth on your face right now left the sun before this video started. If the sun vanished at this instant, you would not know for 8 more minutes. Think about that. And then everything breaks. Proxima Centauri, our nearest stellar neighbor, is 40 trillion kilometers away. Light takes 4 years just to cross that gap. That is our closest star. In a galaxy of 400 billion, the Milky Way, 100,000 light years across. Light needs 100,000 years to cross it. Our entire recorded history fits 10 times into that journey. Not the universe, just your galaxy. This is where it becomes disturbing. You're thinking faster ships, better engines, something we haven't invented yet. Scientists just reconfirmed. This is the part where physics stops you cold. To reach light speed, the energy required doesn't just increase. It approaches infinity, not a large number. Infinity. The universe is not running out of ways to stop you. It has one rule, and that rule is absolute. Even at maximum speed, it fails. Even with unlimited energy, it fails. 100,000 light years, and physics completely, permanently fails. This is not what we expected, but it gets worse. A journey to the galactic center at maximum possible speed takes 36,000 years. You don't send people on that journey. You send them into oblivion and call it exploration. Solar sails fail within light years. Ion drives take tens of thousands of years even for nearby stars. Nuclear propulsion, theoretical only. The warp drive requires matter that may not exist anywhere in the observable universe. Every exit closed, one, by physics itself. No exceptions granted for intelligence, for ambitions, for desperation. Universe does not care. And what comes next is the part that changes how you see everything. We've been listening for other civilizations for decades, scanning, waiting, assuming if they exist, they would signal. We would hear, but we just realized something that reframes everything. A signal from the far edge of our galaxy takes 100,000 years to arrive. If they sent it when humans first discovered fire, it is still in transit. If we replied tonight, their civilization waits another 100,000 years. This is not communication. This is archaeology across time. Then why haven't aliens reached us? Because they cannot. Not from lack of intelligence, not from lack of will, because 100,000 light years is not a challenge. It is a sentence. Even light cannot solve this. A civilization 1,000,000 years more advanced cannot solve this. New data now. confirms the universe is expanding faster than light can chase it. Regions once theoretically reachable are now gone. Not far, not hidden, gone, erased from the reachable universe, while we were still learning how to leave our own solar system. Something has fundamentally changed in how we must see ourselves. You are not standing on a planet in a connected universe. You are standing at the edge of everything you will ever touch. The stars above you are not destinations. They are himash, ancient light from sources that may no longer exist, crossing distances no ship will ever cross, carrying information that will never become conversation. We don't know if something exists beyond the speed limit that we cannot detect. Yet, we don't know if the silence is absence or a message we are too primitive to read. We don't know if this isolation is a prison or a protection from something far worse. We assumed the universe was built for connection. We may have been wrong. What do you think this means?